Dear viewers, welcome another episode of Anuar. We have a leaking water pipe here. A customer called us that the water is flowing down. We came here and we were able to trace and find the leak. It is a leaking copper water pipe. A hole has spontaneously formed in it, which often indicates that the copper is very old because then it becomes too thin and then holes appear in it. We are going to repair it today with this handy repair connection. This one is really super handy. You can place it over your copper water pipe and you can secure it. This is super handy when you don't have room to cut the water pipe. And we also have a squeeze coupling. This one is also super handy. You can slide this coupling over your copper and then you can secure it. You just need a little space for this. So we're going to use both connections, so you can choose what's most convenient for you. Let's get started. If you see that there is a rubber layer in it, you put it around the copper, but you have to clean the copper well. This one goes around, which you have to pay attention to. Here you see an opening of the rubber, which you place exactly opposite the hole because then it is more watertight. But before I clamp it, I'm going to sand the copper well. I sand copper with a very fine sandpaper. Do not use coarse sandpaper. To only do this to sand off the dirt. You can also just clean it with a coarse cloth. That is also sufficient. I've got some very fine sandpaper here that I'm going to use to sand the copper. I have 1500 sandpaper here, which is a very fine sandpaper. The biggest advantage of sanding your tube is that you can check if it isn't weak elsewhere. I see the tube looks pretty good, so we can put the rubber on it right away. Clean your rubber well. Make sure that there is no dirt in between and then you can place the rubber on it. Put the opening of the rubber opposite the hole. The hole in your rubber is also exactly in the middle of the hole. So have a better seal. For the rest it is actually very simple. You place it on. And you tighten it. Tighten the bolt crosswise.
Zo,
Waterproof, and this does the job.
Ga ik aan de binnenkant even goed schuren. Het is een beetje krap. Ja. Eerst de knel overheen doen. Dan kan deze erop. Zo.
This job is completed. I told you it's not that hard. As long as you know what you're doing. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and if you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.